friends. Today we are diving into GitHub Copilot and the plethora of features it offers when paired with IntelliJ. Our goal today is to create a simple calculator application that a user can interact with through the terminal with some basic functionality such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We will start with asking GitHub Copilot to generate a spec for us. The goal of the spec is to outline and make sure that Copilot understands the instructions we are providing it, and at the same time provide a clear outline that we can pass into the edit agent such that it can go ahead and generate the application. So we can see it is outlining the requirements, and we'll go ahead and copy all of that over to the edit agent. I like to use Claude 3.7. I find it to be quite accurate with code generation, and we will now ask it to create a calculator application using the spec from the previous step. So we can see Copilot is thinking, generating a response, and we should have some code that we can review shortly. Okay, so we can see it created calculator.java. Here's the generated code. We can review it and then accept the changes. It also generated a README. So let's go ahead and take a look. We can see that they actually put calculator.java in the wrong folder, so we'll move it into the source directory, and we will go ahead and run the application, see how it does. So we can see actually that it is not yet calling calculator, so we can use Copilot and ask a question in line. So we can see it's given a suggestion on how to correct the code or how to call the calculator class and create the calculator instance we need to run the application. So now if we run main, we see that we have the calculator app up and running. So now let's assume that we have some bugs in this calculator app. Copilot is a great tool for solving them. Here we have some issues in the main.java file, and we just asked it to take a look and provide some fixes, and we can see that it detected an error with the curly braces and provided the corrected code. And with that, the application is working once again. However, we do see that there is a bug with the subtraction feature. Instead of subtracting, it is adding. We can go ahead and ask Copilot figure out where the issue might be in the project. And it says it's likely located in the subtract method of the calculator class. So let's go to the calculator class, find the subtract method, and we can see indeed instead of subtracting there was an addition symbol. So we will go ahead and fix it, run the code again, and there we have it. We have a successfully running calculator application. So we hope this can demonstrate the power of Copilot. It is the most powerful pair programmer that you can add to your toolkit to make coding a breeze and to expedite your efficiency and output of code. Whether it's just a hobby or whether it's in work, Copilot has the ability to transform your development workflow.